realize that white people don't care the type of song we are playing, how fast it can go. You know? The theme and the music, whether it's a dancing song or gun song, like. Yeah, we as Jamaicans, we have different moves for things. White people are just one straight move, which is just anything will come to their mind. That is the moves where white people have. But, I'm not lying. You see when you're there in them little white people party, them little bar there, and you see how the light them start flash round. You know it dark, nobody don't really see you. You want a song play all the way you like. But then I'm here. Where are you now that I need you? I say, Bumbo Clutch! I say, come in! Yo, I do some move, I say so. When you see me start to the Robocop, I say, hey. If one Jamaican ever walk in, that's how I see me. Me not shame.